welcome to Josna's channel, and this is what I want to say. Today I'm going to show you something which I purchased, and I'm going to unbox it in front of you. And it's a beautiful surprise. Let's unbox it and see what's the surprise. I received the FedEx package just now. I'm going to unbox this and show you what is inside. Let's open this. Oh, there is a pack inside. Again, it is from Pratha by Kavita Koparkar. And I'm going to tell you what is all this. When I opened it, I had another box. But look at the packing, it has been done so well. Let me remove the packing. So this is by Pratha. It is from Pune, and let's open it. Yeah, I can see there is a saree from Pratha. Let me open this. Here, look at the saree. This is a silk saree. It's a Gadwal silk. I'm also going to make a video on sarees and how to keep them safe and fresh. Let us see. That's what I wanted. A mustard with black border. Can you see it? This is going to look so good. Look at that. Isn't it beautiful? This is a Gadwal silk sari. This is a mango color with jari buttas. Look at the border. This has a mix of paithani border with temple border. And I particularly wanted this yellow with black border. And it looks very nice for the evening wear or a day wear. And it's a very casual sari, and it has got a toe pallu. Toe pallu is something like this. I need to open it. Look at that. This is called a toe pallu. Can you see it? And it is smelling fresh of silk. It's quite lightweight. And I'm going to wear it very soon. Look at this. This is the sari with a nice pallu. A beautiful color with a black border. Black borders are very uncommon in silk sarees, and I always wanted to have a black border. I also have an off-white with a black border, temple border. I'm also going to make a nice video on the different sarees and how you can preserve them very well when it comes to the zari and silk. I wanted to show you this in the sunlight. See, this is the color, and the border. Look at the border. It's very pretty and very light. I hope it looks pretty on me. So this is how it looks. This is not a mustard. This is a mango color, Alfonso mango color, and the border is so beautiful. And you can also look at the pallu. Pallu is also so pretty. It is very lightweight, easy to drape, and you can see it looks nice. Now this is Gadwal silk, Paithani border with fused temple border. So look at this.